Welcome to my channel Black Sheep Logic. Today we're going to take a very quick look at these Hakko Omnivices. These Omnivices are very useful if you have an odd shaped board. They're also very useful if you need to hold a large board. I use these mainly when I'm removing through-hole components from my circuit board, particularly if I want to reuse those components. So let's take a look at a couple of examples of using these Omnivices. There are 5 different height positions that the Omnivice can be adjusted to. This is the lowest, and that is the highest with the top jaw removed. The Omnivice can also be a support underneath the board. At its highest position it's approximately 4 inches tall, and on its lowest height setting it's approximately 3 inches tall. So I can clamp this board by the corner, and that board is securely held now for rework. To hold a large board like this securely, more than one Omnivice is needed. And I would add another Omnivice close to the area of the board that I'm reworking. When a large board like this is held using multiple Omnivices, the board becomes much more difficult to reposition. In order to reposition the board, I had to remove one of the Omnivices and then reposition the other 2 Omnivices. I then repositioned the 3rd Omnivice. Although these are very useful and extremely flexible, they do have limitations in their use. For example, if I'm using a board preheater and the board is very small, these will obviously get in the way of using the board preheater. These can be a little bit awkward to position sometimes on the PCB as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this review. If you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.